Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Profit maximization for Yan's waffles is simple. We must find the optimal hiring point for these workers right now. First, remember that a firm maximizes profit when the marginal revenue product equals the marginal factor cost. Here, the cost to hire one more worker is exactly $20 per hour. Next, we calculate the marginal revenue product by multiplying the price of one waffle by the marginal product of labor. Since waffles sell for $10, we just need the math. Finally, set 10 times the marginal product equal to 20. Dividing by 10 shows the marginal product is 2, making option A the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush, trust given values, and check your steps every time.